Hey Kevin, it's Carlos here with 0 to 100 Marketing. Just wanted to kind of point out something to you about keywords. This is going to take like 2 seconds. It won't take too much of your time. So here I typed you in to this tool I have called Moz, and it tells me the keywords that you're ranking for. You have 103 keywords that you're ranking for. I put them in order of your position. Anything over 10 is going to be on the second page of Google. So I'm not really looking at those. But tree removal company Canton, tree company Canton, all these are the keywords. Here we have monthly volume. Some of them, there's not enough data for them to tell me the monthly volume. And then, so here's the monthly volume. And the ones that you're in the top 10 for, you have something like close to 200. So I wanted to show you this. I was looking at Tree Service Marietta, and I thought it was a really good example of what I'm trying to show you. So Tree Service Marietta has a U.S. volume of 50, and then different volumes throughout different countries. I don't know why that would be, but um, so there's 140 variations of that keyword, and if we just look at the top ones, um, something so simple can make the biggest difference. So instead of putting Tree Service Marietta for 50 people a month, we put in Tree Service Marietta, Georgia, and that's 590 people per month. So that's significantly more. And then if we just add an S to that, Tree Services Marietta, Georgia, that's an additional 260. So just between those two, we have like 850 searches per month. And that's a whole ton of traffic that you could be missing out on by not targeting that specific keyword. So it's just one of the things, like the nuances of it, that really matter a lot. And I just wanted to point that out to you and show you what I was talking about. Thanks for your time, and hope to hear from you soon.